Good morning, kiddos. I'm going to see some of y'all, hopefully all of you, in about 13 minutes, but I wanted to do a quick reach out on a few things one more time. Parents, please let me know what questions you have off of this if you do. So your kids and kiddos, you guys should already know contact information on my homepage. This is for science and math. Miss Hudson's, you scroll down and see Meet the Teacher and click the button. So, Zoom meetings for Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 10 a.m. Here's your link. You click it, it opens. Every afternoon, I'm on there at 2 to 3. I've been very lonely recently. No one's been coming out at 2 to 3. You click this one and you come and find me, and I will be there waiting for your grades. Now, it's probably about 2:40 that I get kicked off because that's just how long Zoom keeps me on. But if you need me, then I can open up another one. So don't feel like you have to not reach out. So this week, parents, your kiddos should have been working on week 4, and I've had them on Khan Academy. So Monday, they should have joined my class by clicking this link, and I had put everything in a video. I made very simple videos each day for the kiddos to watch to show them a step-by-step. And this week with math, it's fairly simple because it's all on one website. So after you joined on Monday, then you clicked here and it opened up to your video that you needed to do. So this is for Thursday actually. So here was Monday's work, and so far I only have 2 ladies from Miss Hudson's that have done it, and you can see that it tells me checked off. Now, what I noticed was that you were doing the video, some of you were doing the video, great, but you weren't doing the practice problems after. And remember in the video I showed you on Monday, you needed to click those practice problems to do it. So I went back in and I assigned those to you so it would show up hopefully on your side. So please go back and check those and make sure you do your practice problems because those are the grades I'm taking this week right here. So then yesterday, here was your videos. You had a couple more videos. And then word problems. Now the videos aren't long, so please watch them. They're maybe 2 to 3 minutes. That's okay. You will. That's well-deserved review practice. You will be fine losing about 20 minutes. This should only take about 20 minutes of your day. I really simplified math for you so we can get some good grades in here. Today you're working on division of fractions and then practice problems from that. So let's get on that and get that done well. Let's see here if I can get my homeroom. Let's see if we have a trade-off here. It looks like we had a couple more people do some videos, but we're still a little behind. So let's get this together. But notice, if everything gets done, I should see grades here. I should see video complete with a check mark. So we've got a lot of stuff to get through, okay? Hold on, that's my dog. All right, gotta love this at-home learning, right? With pets and animals and babies and everything. So here is what I should see, though. I should see green. I should have grades. I should have green all across the board showing me that you've completed. So when you haven't, it shows me that you're missing. I also have quite a few people that have not logged in and set themselves up from Monday. So that shows me that you haven't even done Monday's assignment. So these are the people from the homeroom here that I see that have not done anything yet, and that's very saddening to me, guys. I've set this up, remember, to try to make it easy, a little bit easier for you this week. I need to get some good grades in. I'll talk to you guys here in a moment about some stuff that we're talking about, but I want to make sure that you guys have some of the information. Parents, let you guys know that this is what they should be doing this week. For math, science, they have a little bit different. They've had some projects that need to be due. Remember that grades, whenever you get stuff graded, you need to check here for your grades. I don't want to show that to you because it shows a whole bunch of kids, but it shows you those grades for you. So make sure that you look at your grades and see what grades you're missing. They are zeros. I have quite a few zeros. Miss Hudson has quite a few bit of zeros. You have to be doing English, math, science, and social studies every day. And I know that can be hard, and I understand, but these assignments we are giving you are very cut down. They should take you no longer, maybe an hour, if you're pushing some of the work, but no less than 20 minutes, maybe 30 for math. Science maybe a little bit because I've had you do some research. So we're trying to give you some easier work out here because I know it's hard with technology, but guys, if you can do a TikTok, you guys can get on Canvas and get your work done, okay? If you can send a text message, you can get on Canvas and get your work done, especially with all the videos we've been making to show you how to do stuff. So, there shouldn't be so many missing blanks, okay? Now, parents have been reaching out, you guys have been reaching out, and we miss you and love you. We're here to help, so make sure you remember those class times that you can come and check in on us and ask questions. That's what we're here for. But if you don't ask the questions, we don't know how to help you and get those grades for you, okay? So I'll see you guys in about 5 minutes.